Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you a remote starter on Land Rover LR4 HSE 2011. In this case we have used the one-button remote system. It allows us to start the car from approximately 1500 feet. So we're going to send a command to the vehicle. The ignition will turn on and the car will start. The vehicle will be running for a preset time that we set, in this case 15 minutes. Also in this vehicle the customer asked us to have the car shuts off as soon as you open the doors, just as a security measurement. So we have set the system as soon as the customer unlocks the door and open the door, the car will shut off and it will have to restart it. Remote starter for Land Rover and Range Rovers and other vehicles are available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel on the left corner and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.